Hello friends, let's enjoy the journey of river Ganga from Gomukh Gangotri to Ganga Sagar. Since time immemorial, the Ganga river has been considered the holiest of all rivers by Hindus. Ganga is also personified as a goddess and worshipped as a goddess Ganga. She holds an important place in Hindu pantheon. In Hinduism, Ganga is seen as a mother to humanity. People immerse the ashes of their kin in the river Ganga, which is considered by them to bring the soul's purified spirits closer to moksha, the liberation from the cycle of life and death. Ganga is worshipped by Hindus as goddess of purification and forgiveness. Its mythological aspect. According to legend, the great king Bhagiratha performed tapasya or meditational penance from 1000 years near this spot on the Gangotri glacier in the hope of pleasing Lord Brahma, the creator, and to entice him to bring the waters of Ganga back to earth so he could perform sacred rites allowing his ancestors to attain moksha. When Brahma released Ganga, she came down with tremendous force from the heavens. Lord Shiva blocked her with his hair locks, not letting a single drop fall on earth. Lord Shiva eventually captured Ganga fully in his hair till her force came down. After Ganga calmed, Lord Shiva released a small part of Ganga and commanded her to follow Bhagiratha. This is how the Ganga came from Swarga to earth. Now, Ganga is a transboundary river of Asia which flows through India and Bangladesh. The 2,525 kilometer approximately river rises in the western Himalayas in the Indian state of Uttarakhand and flows south and east through the Gangetic Plain of North India into Bangladesh, where it empties into the Bay of Bengal. It is the third largest river on earth by discharge. There is now a controversy also. Which is the source of Ganga, Mansarovar Lake or the Gomukh? The Water Resources Ministry has asked scientists from the Roorkee National Institute of Hydrology, that is NIH, to investigate if the origin of Ganga river is the Mansarovar Lake in Kailash instead of Gomukh near Gangotri. The possibility of Mansarovar Lake being the source of Ganga has arisen based on the Hindu mythology, which says that the Ganga descended from locks of Shiva and therefore has a connection with Kailash Mansarovar. NIH scientists will use water isotopes tracers technology to track the river's source. The Gangotri Glacier is in the Uttarakhand Himalayas is the origin of the Bhagirathi River, which joins the Alaknanda River at Devprayag, also in the Uttaranchal Himalayas, to form the Ganga. The river then flows through the Himalayas valley and emerges into the North Indian plains at the town of Hardwar. Route of Ganga river, it is beautifully shown in this map also. It starts from Gangotri to Devprayag, then Rishikesh, Haridwar, Bareilly, Lucknow, Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata, Ganga Sagar, and then the Bay of Bengal. The terminus of the Gangotri glacier is said to resemble a cow's mouth, and the place is called Gomukh. Gomukh, which is about 19 kilometers from the town of Gangotri, is the precise source of Bhagirathi River, an important tributary of the Ganges. Gomukh is the terminus or a pout of the Gangotri Glacier and the source of Bhagirathi River, one of the primary head streams of the Ganga River. The place is situated at the height of approximately 13,200 feet in Uttarkashi district in the state of Uttarakhand, India. It is one of the largest in the Himalayas. Then it reaches to Panchprayag, Rudraprayag, Devprayag. Panchprayag is an expression in Hindu religious ethos specifically used to connote the five sacred rivers confluences in the Garhwal Himalayas in the state of Uttarakhand, India. These five prayags, which means place of confluence of rivers, are Vishnu Prayag, Nand Prayag, Karn Prayag, Rudra Prayag, and Dev Prayag in the descending flow sequence of their occurrence. It starts with the Vishnu Prayag on the Alaknanda river, which is one of the two source streams of the river Ganga in the Garhwal Himalayas. The other streams are the Dholi Ganga, Nandakini, Pinda, Mandakini, and the Bhagirathi, the head streams of Ganges. Now this is the beautiful Dev Prayag. The Bhagirathi and Alaknanda joins at Dev Prayag in Garhwal and are together thereafter known as Ganga. At the sacred confluence of the Bhagirathi and Alaknanda at Dev Prayag, the Ganges river is born. And from here, it is from 90 kilometers is the Rishikesh, and there the Ganga flows. It's a very calm place, and Rishikesh, the Lakshman Jhula, has a long history. It's a 450 feet long iron suspension bridge constructed over the Ganga river in 1923 and is one of the landmarks of Uttarakhand. As per the legends, the bridge was built exactly where Lakshman, brother of Lord Rama, crossed the river on jute ropes. At Haridwar, then the Ganga enters the plains, from hills to plains. Haridwar is an ancient city, an important Hindu pilgrimage site in North India's Uttarakhand state where the river Ganges exits the Himalaya foothills, the largest of several sacred ghats. Har Ki Pauri hosts a nightly Ganga Aarti, which is known as river worshipping ceremony. Each evening at sunset, the priest of Har Ki Pauri performs the Ganga Aarti over an old tradition. People flick diyas made of leaves and flowers into the river Ganges as a symbol of hope and wishes. The Haridwar Ganga Aarti is held at Har Ki Pauri Ghat. The name of this famous ghat literally means feet of Lord. A footprint on a stone was there is said to belong to Lord Vishnu. The Ganga Aarti is performed at the three holy cities of Haridwar, Rishikesh and Varanasi in India. It's a very powerful and uplifting spiritual ritual. Now the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj is the confluence of three holy rivers Ganga, Yamuna and the invisible river Saraswati. The point of confluence is a very sacred place for Hindus. It is a place for religious importance and a very famous historical Kumbh Mela held here for every 12 years. Varanasi. The Shashwamedh Ghat is the main ghat in Varanasi on the Ganga river in Uttar Pradesh. It is located close to Vishwanath temple and is probably the most spectacular ghat. The present ghat was built by Peshwa Balaji Baji Rao in the year 1748. A few decades later, Ahilyabai Holkar, the Queen of Indore, rebuilt the ghat in the year 1774. A real visual treat, Ganga Aarti of Varanasi. The Ganga Aarti of Varanasi is a shining beacon of devotion and bliss that makes us experience the divinity in and around us. Since ages, no day has gone by when the holy Ganga river has not been adored. It is one of the must-see activities included in every traveler's itinerary. The people from all walks of life visit the city with the desire of beholding the Ganga Aarti. Kolkata. The Hooghly weaves through the Indian state of West Bengal from the Ganga, its parent river, to the sea. At just 460 kilometers, approximately 286 miles, nevertheless, through history, the Hooghly has been a waterway of tremendous sacred and secular significance. Gangasagar Island is an island in the Ganges Delta, lying on the continental shelf of Bay of Bengal, about 100 kilometers south of Kolkata. The island of Gangasagar is one of the most famous Hindu pilgrimage centers in India. On the occasion of Makar Sankranti, the Gangasagar Mela is organized on this island, which is one of the biggest fairs in West Bengal. Then the Ganga river enters West Bengal near the Raj Mahal hill, and it bifurcates itself into Hooghly and Padma river near Dhaulian, Murshidabad district of West Bengal. The river bifurcates here. The Bhagirathi Hooghly flows southwest through the deltic plains off to the Bay of Bengal. With Brahmaputra, it forms the world's biggest delta called the Sundarban Delta. Here ends the journey of river Ganga. Ganga River was declared as the National River of India on November 4, 2008 by Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Since then, it has been a part of the national symbols of India. These are the three river projects on River Ganga. This map really depicts the route of River Ganga, its tributaries, and the main rivers. This map also tells you the main rivers of India and the main route of Ganga. To sum up, Ganga River is a sacred river for all the Hindus, and it is the lifeline of millions of people who resides near the banks of it. It is a trans-boundary river which not only flows through many states, but it also flows between two nations, that is India and Bangladesh. The length of Ganga which flows in the Indian side is about 2525 kilometers, out of the total 3877 kilometers, and the rest 1352 kilometers flows inside Bangladesh. Ganga river originates from the glacier called as Gangotri, which lies in the Garhwal region of Himalayas and falls in the Bay of Bengal. Ganga has the largest river basin, which extends around 838,200 square kilometers and has three important courses of flow: upper, middle and lower course. Ganga river is the second largest river in the Indian subcontinent by water flow. The Ganga basin has the population of approximately 45 million, where 50% lives in Uttar Pradesh, 10% in Bihar and 40% in West Bengal. Ganga river has a lot of tributaries like Ghagra, Jamna and Ram Ganga, etc. And Bhagirathi, Hooghly and Padma are the distributaries of Ganga. The major rivers which flows into the Ganga river are Brahmaputra, Gomati, Kosi, Ghagra, Jamuna and Son. There are several major cities which are located on the banks of Ganga river, namely Rishikesh, Haridwar, Kanpur, Varanasi, Allahabad, Patna and Kolkata. Ganga Action Plan and Namami Gange are two environmental initiatives which were launched to clean the pollution residing in the Ganga river.
भगवती तवती वीरभद्रशनो विगत विषय तृष्णा कृष्णमाराधयामि विगत विषय तृष्णा कृष्णमाराधयामि सकल कलुष भंगे स्वर्ग सोपान संगे सकल कलुष भंगे स्वर्ग सोपान संगे धरण तर तरंगे देवी